What up, Rebels? If you want to see the intro to this, watch my previous video. Basically, I'm just opening more packs, and I want to keep it rolling. Actually, I changed playmats. I think the other one was cursed. Okay, I'm trying to get these shells off, and does anyone really know how these work? Like, what are you supposed to do with this? Seriously. Is that it? Are you just supposed to kind of rip it? Let's try another one. Like, what is this? They make tabs, but then the tabs don't really go anywhere. It's just ridiculous. Maybe, like, is that what you're supposed to do? Alright, anyway. Let's get started. We have more Kamigawa. Let's save the Forgotten Realms for the end. Of course, I'm hoping to hit those legendary lands. I'm not sure what else. I don't know. Maybe some commons and uncommons could be nice. Let's go common. You guys probably don't care for these. When does it rotate out anyway? Who plays standard? Who plays magic? Okay, I like that one. Already got him though. And oh wait, how many uncommons are there supposed to be? This is a draft booster, right? Oh, maybe you get I think you get one of these flip cards in every pack on top of your 3 uncommons. Surge Hacker Mech? I've never even seen this card. 4 mana, 5/5 menace that you crew for 4. Okay. Oh, nice mountain. Okay, let's start getting some real piles. I'll just put the rare. And foil. Alright. Cool spirit token. Network terminal. I actually haven't seen a lot of these cards. I know that one. Yeah, I won't slow roll these commons for every pack, but just to get an idea. There's for knowledge. That takes it back to Mirrodin, I think. That was a good one. Of course, now you have one better. I forget what it's called. Vanishing Slash. I just wish this was an instant. It would have been so much better. Discover the Impossible. Nice artwork. Not sure if that's worth anything. Saga. Oh, I might have 2 rares here because I think you get a flip card. That doesn't count towards the rarity. Or do you? I don't know. Nope. So is this worth anything? Probably not. Whenever you cast a spell, your opponents can't cast spells with the same mana value as that spell until your next turn. So interesting. There you go. should be more careful. Okay. Oh, it's alright. Search for 2 basic lands. Yeah. Where are my uncommons? Assassin's Ink. I mean, could be okay if you have an artifact and an enchantment. I just don't know what's going on. Oh. Yeah, I already have that one. It's pretty cool. Flash it in. I don't like that artwork. Showcases in this set are nice. Izumi Prowler. Pretty cool. Another impossible discovery. Whoa. Okay. What was that? Malicious malfunction. Yeah. I mean, it's a good card, but it's not worth much. Soul Transfer. Oh, wow. That's... I mean, I've seen this card, but not the showcase version. That's pretty cool. And foil on top of it. Nice. Cool Forest. And what happened to Magic? A lot more people used to get out and play. Are people like actually bored of the game? Because it's still... It just gets more interesting with every set, doesn't it? Because you have more interactions, different combos, like more cards that interact with each other, so it just opens more possibilities, I think, anyway. Behold the Unspeakable. Yeah, that's a throwback to the original Kamigawa Unspeakable. Except, I think, was that one legendary? I think that one was legendary. This one is not. Naomi, Pillar of Order. Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen that before. Okay, it's a creature shrine. They're just mixing it up. Rabbit Battery. I mean, of course, I know this card. Ooh, not bad. Actually, I was trying to get that before. I couldn't find it. Ah, Patchwork Automaton. Yeah. trying to find those two, so that's cool. Reinforced Ronin. It's a good one. Not sure it's worth anything. Another cool land. Okay, we got a foil. Huh. Yeah, this one's okay. Turns into that. My fingers are really dry, so having a hard time gripping these. Wait, how many uncommons is that? Is that a thing? Like, is it? Do you get 4 uncommons per pack sometimes? Invoke Calamity. Wah, wah. Yeah, common foil. Nice foiling, pretty good art, but I don't know. Sweet. Kunai. Simian Sling. It's an equipment monkey. What is that? Oh, that's very cool. Walking Skyscraper. Costs 1 less for each modified creature. Trample, hexproof as long as it's untapped. They couldn't just give it hexproof, could they? Runaway Trash Bot. Is this card trash? That's the question. That looks like it. Alright, a mythic. Might be worth a buck or two, I don't know. Alright. Oops. I feel like it's a bust. Oh, that's a good one. Guide bot. The foil just slides more, so I can't grip. Again, 4 uncommons, is it? Invoke the winds. Wah, wah. Why can't I invoke a legendary land here? Are these the same 4 uncommons again? $25 rare. Who wants to equip an insect? Pretty cool. I might do the Forgotten Realms in a separate video because it looks like I'm running long again. I'll make a part 3. There we go. It's one of them. I was really hoping for the green one, but I'll take it. It's probably the cheapest one. I don't know. Love that art. I mean, if you ninjutsu this guy in, it's just better than Jism Jin. Alright, we're already at uncommons. Historian's Wisdom. Now let's get the foil out of the way. Last pack. Bronze Cudgels. Seismic Wave. That's pretty cool at instant speed. And the last, another Invoke Calamity, which is what this pack opening was.